Today I'll be making tea. It's a very favorite pastime drink of Indians. I'll be taking 1 cup of milk. Keep the flame to medium. For every 9 parts of milk, you are going to add 1 part of water. So you should not add anything to the milk unless and until it gets heated up or it gets first roll boil. So we'll wait for it. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes on my induction heater. During these 2 minutes, you can avoid spending any effort in mixing the milk. It has been 2 minutes. It feels that milk has come to a roll boil now. I can hear the molecules getting heated up. Now the first thing that I'm gonna do in this is you need to add 1 tablespoon of tea powder, a little more than 1 tablespoon. Now you need to mix this tea powder until it loosens all its flavor into the milk and the water that we have added up. Now there has to be an effort of mixing the milk, water and the tea powder with spoon so that it gives all its flavor. We are going to do this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now you are not supposed to add any of the sweetening agents like jaggery or sugar. Bring the flame to medium. So keep on mixing this. Please do not underestimate the mixing part. It has been 5 minutes and the stirring part is over. So the first thing that you are going to do now is you need to add a little of ginger. Now you can see this is 1 cup of milk and I am going to add a very little ginger paste into it. You can also cut a raw ginger and you can add 1 piece of ginger to this. Now at this point you are going to add your sweetening agent, which is usually sugar. You can also add jaggery, but I am going to use the secret ingredient which is used in most of the famous tea shops in India. It is called as gulkhan. So basically it is a rose mixed with honey. So I am going to add about 1 tablespoon of gulkhan for 1 cup of milk. Now it depends on your personal sweetening taste how much you want to add, but the thing about gulkhan is that it adds the flavor to the milk but also adds the fragrance of rose. Now the most important part is you need to mix oxygen into this tea. How do you mix oxygen? Don't worry, do not need to go to a chemistry lab for that. Just take the tea in your spoon and just roll it in the air like this. Keep on doing this. This mixes the air or oxygen into the tea and you can see the bubbles which are getting formed, and this will also increase the flavor of tea and you feel wow at the end of it. Now you are going to do this process for another 5 minutes and it is very important that you do it till the end. You might not have noticed, but a person who makes tea, he's really focused into doing these little things even while you are talking to him, while he's collecting the money from you. And this is the secret of the chaiwalas who became the most important citizens of our country. I can smell fragrance of rose in the air. That's because of the rose jam or gulkhan that I have added. Oh wow. I have been rolling the tea in the air for about 5 minutes. Now the process has been done. These simple things are really important in making a flavorful tea, and please do try this recipe at home. Let me know if it has enhanced the taste of your tea or not. Please like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel. Please do support us. Thank you. Take care and bye bye. चाय पी लो।